Ayan guys, good morning, good morning. Breakfast po tayo guys. Yan, plain rice po tayo. Saka yan with egg, boiled egg. Yan. At meron tayong, ayan o, sinigang na bangus with okra and tomato. Ayan. Yummy sabaw. Yan po ang ating almusal for today's. Masarap. Yummy, yummy. Tara guys, kain po tayo. Ito egg, oh. Yummy egg. Yan, oh. Sarap lasap. Sarap. Mega love shout out sa inyong lahat. Pa-like and share po. Maraming salamat. Good morning.